Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you some drills that will improve your pool game really fast. If you do them correctly and do them kind of frequently. So, first drill we're going over. Very basic drill called the L drill. It's called the L drill because you literally just throw balls out in an L formation, like so. Sometimes people call this the box drill. This is a very beginner drill. If you play one pocket, this is one that you definitely want to practice. You have to make all the balls in that bottom left pocket going in order from that way. So, very basic after you get a hang of the strategy of this drill. It's basically you just got to stay on the right side of balls, and then if you do that, you should be able to run this pretty quickly. But it's understandable if you've never done this drill before that it's going to be more difficult than what I just made it look like. No, that's not me like showing off. Yeah, I can do the L drill. But if you, let's say you can't do that and you've been trying that for a while, you can do one of two things. You can either have the same setup, take away a ball, or just move it inwards a bit. This might help you if you're struggling with the actual ball pocketing part of it. If you're struggling with position, I recommend just taking away a ball. Like if you do stuff like that, take away a ball. But other than that, this drill's pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, you can't bank a ball in or something like that. They all have to go in that pocket. You can't bank a ball in that pocket either. Pretty basic drill. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this next drill you only need, you need every ball, but you're only shooting at one ball at a time. This is a position-focused drill. You have a ball just a little bit off of that second diamond. You have your cue ball, like so, and the goal is you just pocket that ball and draw right back out to where you were. And you have to see how many times you can make that ball and get position on it again. So again, this drill is pretty simple, but you get out of line once and it's pretty much over. Like you see how like far over our cue ball is now, so we can't draw back anymore. We're gonna have to go around the table. And then I think we might have to do the same thing here. Just keep putting that ball back just about an inch away from that pocket. And you could get it back to the point where you can just draw back. Goal here, this is a very common shot in pool. This ball close to the rail, and you have to get back somehow. So you have to learn how to do it all ways, and this is the way to practice that. So you see, we just went 2 rails across. And this could be the end of our run right here if we... Nope. Okay, I kind of want to see how many I can get. If it gets too long, I'll stop. But let's just keep going. Okay, I'm gonna shoot about 3 more. Okay, and this is the last ball. So, great way to work on your position. So we made over 10 balls in a row there. So let me know in the comment section how many you can do. Okay, so this next drill is really just a practice shot. So we put a ball roughly in the middle of the table. We put our cue ball, give a little bit of an angle. And the goal is to swing the cue ball around 3 rails and get as close to straight in on this 3 ball as possible. See, we weren't very close there. Find another ball. So this is another shot that comes up when you're in trouble. I don't even know how that happened. Good cue ball, bad shot. But this is a very important shot to learn if you're going to be playing good position shots. I'm going to shoot one more, see if we can get even closer. That looks pretty good. If we hit it a bit harder, it'd be better. But just practicing that 3 rails around one will really help you in your positioning. Okay, so this drill is fairly difficult. The goal is to go back and forth between these 2 balls and see how many times you can go back and forth. So the problem is getting the right angle. See, we didn't get enough angle here. So it's going to be really hard to get that ball down there. That was actually a really good effort right there. So you just see how many times you can go back and forth. And if you can go back and forth 10 times, that is absolutely great. And we just went dead in the hole there. So this drill is probably the hardest of the ones that I've shown so far. Just simply because, at least for me, because these rail cut shots, they're hard for me to make. I'm just going to shoot this anyway, see if I can make it. Close. These rail cut shots are hard to make with a lot of spin. For me at least. It may be easy for you, but this is one of my problem shots. So this is why this drill's harder than the other ones for me. Because when I add a lot of spin, it gets hard for me to make this ball, and sometimes I add too much spin. Also, when I add backspin, it makes it hard for me to make this ball as well. And sometimes I'm not completely accurate with that shot. So if you can get up and down a couple times, you are in good shape. But this drill is definitely the hardest one for me. And if it is for you, then do it more. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video so you never miss a new video. So we are so close to 100,000 subscribers. Like, it is not even funny how close we are. So please share the channel with all your friends. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 100,000 subscribers for all you who share my channel. So right now we were at 92,500. So let's see if we can hit that 100,000. Let's say definitely before April. Before April, let's see if we can hit that 100,000. Giveaway at 100,000. Again, thank you guys so much. Let's get there really, really, really fast. So share the channel on Facebook with your friends, with your APA league, everybody. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.